Namaste, greetings to my listeners on this beautiful day which the nature creates daily differently. I am Deepak Taylor coming with a topic of mindfulness on the request of few of my viewers in English. The same is available in Hindi on my channel, but it won't be a direct translation of what is available in Hindi. Before I could proceed, I would like to mention that I am of the firm opinion that one cannot teach others, but at the same time, everyone can learn from everything, from everyone, and at every time. To start with, let us look at the society 45 years before and now. Compared to past, today there has been many developments in various technologies, because of which our comforts have increased in every aspect of our living, by which we can make our life more beautiful. But because of technology, are people today happier than what they were 45 years back? From what we see around, the answer is simple: no. This is because people have hardly looked inward in the quest for external achievements. So today, you will find more and more need to understand and practice mindfulness, and hence this session. In order to understand what is mindfulness, let us first understand what is thought and how it is generated. For this, you will have to do a simple exercise for 90 seconds. Just listen to all my instructions before you start the exercise. 1. You will not talk with yourself or with others. 2. You will not imagine anything. 3. You will just observe anything or any person around you without any analysis or thinking, like a child does when it is observing things for the first time with kindness and love. Now, you can come back to the video after doing 90 seconds of exercise by keeping the video on pause. I have just taken a long pause. Now that you have done the exercise, there are three types of people emerging. First, those who could follow the instruction for complete 90 seconds. Second, those who could follow the instruction for majority of the 90 seconds. And third, those who could hardly follow the instruction. Now let us analyze all the three types. The first type of people. Did you get any thought during this process of exercise of 90 seconds? If yes, means during that fraction of time you did not follow the instruction. Otherwise, there should not be any thought coming to you. This type of people have very high awareness level. Hence, they are able to complete the exercise. I have a request to this type of people to gradually increase the time of pure observation. Unfortunately, today in society, the percentage of people in this type is very less. Now let us look at the second type of people. They were able to follow the instruction on and off, and they too were having very good awareness level. Hence, they could come back and follow the instructions. They were getting thoughts on and off as they were switching over to observations and not following the instructions. That time they were getting thought. With regular practice, this type of people can improve and become first type. Third type of people, these people were continuously getting thoughts as their awareness level is very low and they could not follow the instructions. But in society today, majority of the people are of this type, and hence there is a need to increase the awareness level, and hence this session. I have a request to those people who are of second and third type. Please do not get discouraged. I shall be explaining you very simple day-to-day exercises to improve your awareness level. So, from this exercise of 90 seconds of pure observation, what did we learn? That thought can only be created by self-talk or imagination. Now let us understand more about thought through an analogy. Suppose you are standing on the top of a tall building on the 75th floor and looking down. You are able to see many small buildings and houses surrounding it as if they are touching to each other. Now imagine you are slowly coming down and looking at the same view. What happens? You start seeing the building and houses more clearly. You could now notice the space between buildings increasing as you come down, and finally when you reach the height as that of those buildings and houses, you see the exact space between them. Now consider all the buildings and houses that you were viewing from the top as your thoughts, and as you were observing your thought from a distance of 75th floor, that time all the thoughts were looking like a cluster. As you came down and the distance reduced, you started seeing the space between the two thoughts very clearly. This means your awareness level increased towards the thought as you came down. Means the higher the awareness level, more closely you can observe your thoughts and the silence or nothing between the two thoughts. It is this same silence or nothing that the state of mind reaches during meditation. Once the person is clear about everything related to thought, all the subjects related to human behavior will become easy to understand. Hence, I would like to give one more analogy to further understand about thought. Now, suppose you are standing on a busy road waiting for an auto rickshaw, and as you are waiting, several vehicles pass by your eyes. They are of different models, colors, various shapes, and even some of the vehicles may be the one which you like the most, but you hardly notice them as your eyes are focused on the auto rickshaw. The moment you get the auto rickshaw, you sit in it and get down at your desired destination. Now consider all the vehicles that were passing by your eyes on the road as the thoughts that are created by your mind, and the auto rickshaw as a particular thought on which you want to work, you want to focus, which is your goal. And as you had left the auto rickshaw at the destination, similarly you will find that the moment your goal is fulfilled, you leave the thought. Now consider another analogy that you are hungry and hence constantly thinking about food, and the moment you eat food, the thought of hunger vanishes. So what we understand from this? The moment the thought is fulfilled, it ceases. Two more observations I would like to mention. First, I have noticed that whenever we are calm, the speed of thought is less and the quality of the thought is good. But when you are stressed or disturbed, it is exactly the opposite. Now, my second observation is wherever our attention goes, you will find that energy flows in that direction, and when the energy flows there, the same thing grows. Means, if your attention goes on negative thought, it grows further and further if your awareness level is low. But if you have a high awareness level, you will immediately switch over to some other thought. Our awareness level is directly related to our emotional health or emotional energy. Now, let me summarize what we understood about thought till now with the various analogy and exercise. First, thought is created by self-talk or imagination. Second, there is a silence or nothing between two thoughts, which is the meditative state of mind. Third, as awareness level increases, we are able to observe our thoughts more clearly. Fourth point, the moment thought is fulfilled, it ceases. Fifth, wherever attention goes, energy flows and it grows. Sixth and final point, when we are calm, the speed of thought is less and of better quality, which is exactly the opposite when we are under stressed or disturbed condition. I think this much clarity about thought is enough to understand our subject of mindfulness. Now, having understood about thought and its relation to self-talk and awareness level, let me now define what is mindfulness. Mindfulness is a state of mind achieved by focusing one's awareness on the present moment while calmly acknowledging and accepting one's emotions, thoughts, and feelings. In short, I can say that it is living in the present with highest awareness level. With this, I would like to end today, and we will see many more simple exercises in the next part. Till then, I have a request and like to give you homework to practice the exercise of pure observation. You may do many things like observing a flower. You may observe the greenery on a tree, see how the branches and the leaves move when the breeze is there. Observe something at home which you regularly use as if you are looking for the first time. You will observe something new in it. Also, try to give time to observe your thoughts with high level of awareness. You can also see my slides in the video where some of the nature's beauty is captured in the slide. So I hope I can rely on you that you will do some homework before you see the next part of the video. Thanks for giving your valuable time to this video. Hope it will add some value in your life. Okay, bye for now, with a promise to come back soon. Till then, take care, be safe and healthy, both physically and emotionally. See you then.